Hi everybody, let's go for one more video here in our Diecast channel. Today I'm going to show you this 1971 Dodge Dart Swinger that's in 1/18 scale, made by Highway 61. So let's unbox it and take a closer look. But before we do it, I'd like to thank you for all likes and comments, and please do subscribe my channel, leave your likes and comments below, and click the bell for new videos. Let's move on. As we can see, it's a 1/18 scale. It is about between 11 and 11.5 inches long. This is sort of a lime yellow. It's not really green actually. And this car features a very high quality pattern we always find in Highway 61 cars. Let's take a look at the front first. As we can see, that's almost the same front of 1970 Dart I've shown before, with the difference of these new front bumper as well as the rear bumper, of course. But the rear is the same, the headlights are the same, blinkers, they're all those very nice parts, very well done as usual. Hood scoops are all here. There's a 340 Dart, and as we can see, the engine is very well taken care of. It's a very well made model. It's got all cables and hoses and components an engine compartment usually has, such as battery, reservoirs, a brake system, horn, a radiator, the carburetor is a 4-barrel, the alternator. The engine color is the right color as well. The hinges are correct. Even the system is the same. Hood reinforcements, they are all very well done and perfect. The antenna that moves up and down, just like the other Highway 61 and GMP cars. The wheels and tires are very well made, as usual, with Goodyear tires. Interior, very well made as usual. Door panels, a dashboard. As we can see, the seat belts and seats as well. The badge, which changes position from 1970 to 1971. 1970 is right here, the Dart Swinger, and the Dart Swinger are separated in 1971, being Dart badge here and Swinger badge here in the front fender. The chrome, the trims, Highway 61 trims are excellent. They're very nice. That's the rear, with no taillights and no bumper for 1971. Dual exhaust. Oops, that's open. The trunk, and take a look at the trunk. Rubber seal, jack, fuel pipe. This plastic mat, as we usually have. Trunk lid reinforcements and hinges are all correct. A gas cap. Closer look at the dashboard with all buttons and knobs and gauges. Steering wheel. This car features a mechanical transmission. We can see the gear selector right here. Front bench seat with seat belts. It's very nice. Blinkers, front blinkers, the rear ones, and the bottom with the engine transmission. Mufflers are correct. Drive shaft that turns as you turn. The rear wheels, rear suspension, fuel tank, a spare tire compartment, and a dual exhaust. It's really a very nice car. I really like Highway 61s as well as I like Dodge Darts and Mopars as well. Well, let's just finish the video right here. I thank you for all views, comments, and likes. And please leave a like or comments below. And I see you in the next video. Bye-bye.